I've got a small job here to do for one of the lads on a forum I go on. He basically wants a 6mm keyway putting down through there. The hole's 25mm. I haven't got a 25mm broach gauge. It doesn't matter how many gauges you've got, you haven't got the right one. But I have got 2-inch ones. I don't know why I made 2-inch, but I did. So I'm going to machine that one down so it fits in there, and then broaches 2 holes in for them. I've got the centre with a 4-jaw chuck running nice and true there, and I have got a centre in there. Whenever I make a broaching gauge or anything really, I always put a centre in the end of it. You never know when you might have to modify something or change something. So when you've got a centre in there like that, it makes it so much simpler to accurately mount it in the lathe again. And that's running nice and true. So we need that whispering down to 25mm, and then we can do the job we're going to do in the first place. Right, we'll just give it a try and make sure. That's pretty good. It's a little bit slack on there, so she's a little bit on the slack side with that, but it's just a spacer, so it should be alright. The important thing is the dry flange. I'm just feeding this by hand because I've got imperial change wheels on the back of the lathe, and they don't like running fast. I've got a compound gear train set up for a job I've got to do. Right, we've got the broach guide. It fits into the bolt hole. It's not a very good fit in there, but it's a good fit in the dry flange part. That goes in there, and the broach goes down that hole. The broach is actually tapered. It's smaller at the end than it is at the end, so when you push it through, it takes a cut. As you take a cut, you put spacers in behind there. You keep on going, keep on putting spacers in until you've got the full depth of cut that you require. Right, so that's too much. Right, that's going to start to take a cut there, so we'll force that through using the press, then put another spacer in, and you just keep on going until you've got the depth of cut you require. Right, so that goes in there. Then we'll use the press, upper press, to push that down through. That takes a cut, and you put another spacer in, and you just keep on going until you've got the keyway cut to the depth you require. Right, you can see there how I've got 3 shims in behind it. You just keep on putting shims in until you get down to there, which is the full depth of the keyway. Right, that's both the keyways cut in both parts. I actually took this one to work and did it in the hydraulic press. It was easier than going into my shop and getting my hydraulic press out, and it's too wide to fit between the bars on the arbor press, so I'm going to have to modify that once again. Right, so that's that done. Right, next on the agenda is another can you weld this, possibly. It's die cast aluminium with a handle off a pump. It's about, well, it just sums up what quality of component we're getting these days. I mean, if there was any less material in there, it wouldn't exist. It looks good from the outside, but when you turn it over, it's absolute crap. It'll be made of crap as well. I'll either weld it back on, or I'll make another one. Anyway, we'll fire the TIG up and have a go at it. Just quite a handy tool for pulling the components I'm going to weld. It's not my idea. I saw it on the internet. But one thing about it is it doesn't burn its fingers, it doesn't get tired. It'll stand there all day welding things extra red hot arc. Well worth making. It also ensures that you get a really good earth. It's on a steel bench touching the part, so it's quite a splendid little device to make. Right, so go in it and see what grade of shite this is. Actually not that bad. Not that bad at all. Right, so it's actually welded not so bad. Hadn't it been something important, I can assure you it wouldn't have welded like that. But it's certainly a little bit better than stuck together. I'll show you the settings. I welded that on. People always ask what settings are used for welding. Different types of aluminium and different materials. Or at least the settings I use I found that work for me. Right, the welder is an Artec 260 AC/DC. The setting I'm using is setting 6. It's got 10 settings you can save. I'll go through, we'll start at the beginning. Right, pre-flow, that's pre-flow gas before it starts welding. There isn't any because I'm using a foot pedal. As soon as I press the pedal I get gas. 25 amps is my starting current, nice clean start. Upslope, no upslope, once again I'm using the pedal. Main welding amps I've got set at 109, I can go down to 10, up to 260. AC balance I've got set 31%. AC frequency 80. No downslope, no end amps. Post flow, that's gas that comes out when you finish welding, 7.9 seconds. That's what I found to weld basically that material. So in my little book I'll write down setting 6 is for welding moderate shite. It had a horrible rivety type thing holding the handle on. I'm just going to put an 8mm bolt through it. So 8mm hole through here first. The 8mm cap head through the handle. And put a washer in there as well. And go through the boss. Washer on the back and the nut. Just get me 13mm spanner. My nice new 13mm spanner that was kindly given to us. Absolutely horrible. Right, that'll do the job. I'm just going to cut the end of that off with it. I was going to use a grinder, but now I'll use a hacksaw. A little bit more civilised. I'll now use a grinder because they're hard and all you do is blunt blades. Right, I wasn't using that cutting disc to gliss that up. Right, that's it, repaired. I'm quite surprised how well that welded, or how nicely that welded. You can see the light grey colour, that's where the AC current's actually etched into the aluminium to clean it. You see it's right through as well. You can make it stronger by filling that with aluminium, but how far do you go on something as cheap and nasty as that? I look at these varnish on later. Probably just get I don't know why not. You'll be able to after the good job. Aye.
Daniel works in the museum here, Pat. He's never seen one of these working.
I've never seen a pony working.
Oh, well.
I've seen them in the fields.
Well,
in the
you're more than
stables.
welcome to have a proper look. Ignore the brass, that's not authentic.
Oh, right.
Good boy.
I get one of my cards and you can do what you like with the video.
Oh, brilliant, thank you.
But I've got like... Well, I was at the rally at Brunton. That's where I fell off the wagon last year and I broke my elbow. One of the first people I bumped into was the paramedic who looked after us up there, and you remember us straight away. And I had a good bit of crack with him. And once again, I'd like to say, I mean, I know you watch my channel. Thanks very much for the help you gave us a year ago. Look, yeah, I managed to get away without doing any lasting damage to myself this time. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and as always, a massive thanks for all the well wishes that you keep sending in. Anyway, thanks for watching.
Are you ready then, mister? Ready? Walk on.
All right.
Once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and as usual, a massive thanks for all the kind words and well wishes that are coming in. Anyway, thanks for watching.